Okay everybody, Hunter here from Virginia in my carving shed. My wife and kids are in bed asleep. My day job is done, so I'm just going to jump into carving the bison skull back here with the circuit design. You can see the last video. I'll leave it linked in the description for all the tools and stuff I've been using to carve it. But let's jump into it. Since it's nighttime, why don't we have a little bit of fun and have a little party while we're at it? Sound good to you? Alright, let's go. Alright, now this is more like it. Let's get started. What is that? Alright, well, I had fun. I hope you're having fun. Did get a little bit done last night. Going to continue the party today. Definitely go into tonight again. So, let's keep going. guys, I'm going to put this on pause and we will continue this in the next video. I've got a pretty open week as far as my day job schedule goes, so I think I should be able to get pretty far in it in the next video. So do please consider subscribing so you do see that come out. Thanks for sticking with me with this video. Hope you had as much fun as I did. So, alright guys, thanks again for watching. Appreciate it.